Mum! Am I adopted?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just let me get your bed. Please. Thank you. Don't fight me, just let me get it and then just die. Fucking recognized in the game. Don't you dare. I'll fall out with you. I'll hate you. No! No! Void! 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 Right. 5, 4, 3. Oh no! He has a vendetta against me! Oh god, I always knew revenge is how I'd die. Sorry!
Okay, so hi guys. Maybe you know this, but I can actually make money now. I actually want to make money of this, so I will be deleting some videos because they got copyrighted, and it's really difficult to, you know, get money off that. So, sorry.
Look, if the shop can't give me what I need, I will just burn it to the ground and kill the occupants, alright? That doesn't make me a Karen, that makes me a psychopath, okay? Please get it right, chat.
WAP! Worship and prayer, Turbo, give me some prayers!
From the top, Jesus drops. Now that's some WAP.
Bundy once said,
Twitch bro! Jacques Manifold? Jacques Manifold? Jacques Manifold? Jacques Manifold! Jacques Manifold, fall of bridge. Jacques Manifold of bridge. Jacques Manifold.
This is nice, Rambo, isn't it?
Is there any time you listen to me? Is there any time you know?
Back and realize that these really good.
Fundy, what do you have weapons armor-wise?
I have a crayon suit. What the fuck are you asking from me?
Tequila.
Nikki, tell us a story
Okay.
while I'm mining the obsidian.
Okay, one day there was a fundy. That fundy was a furry. He walked around in the woods because he liked to be in nature. He also thought that the end portrait was 9x9.
I'm sorry, Wilbur, you're really cute too. Thank you, music too. Thank you for. I haven't heard that from Nikki actually, so I appreciate that.
Wait, hello?
No, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Graham, right? Thanks for the $1. I briefly spoke to him between.
I'm not toxic. I'm not toxic. I'm literally not toxic. Guys, you know me. You literally know me. Wow. Oh, Aqua Team, you're really good at this. Have you been playing for a while? Wow, look at you go. You must. Is this GamerBoy80 himself? Oh, your bed's gone. Oh, that's embarrassing. You got this, man. Oh, where'd I go? Oh, fuck! He found me! Come over here. Uh-oh.
My two favorite boys.
Oh, hey, Carl.
Look at this.
Oh,
It's my joyous day. I love the back of electrical because it's the most safe place in the game.
Yeah, it is actually, especially when you're walking up with the imposter like I am right now.
I'm gonna need you to protect me beyond the grave, okay, Corpse? Okay, well I sent it, alright, Corpse? I don't know if you can still hear me, but it's sent now.
I would Corpse.
Wait, here, he sent me a voice message. Let's hear Corpse, okay?
Okay.
What the heck?
Okay.
Sapnap. Hello?
Hello?
Sapnap, hello?
What? Hello?
Sapnap, hello!
What? What?
What is up, Sapnap?
I don't know. What is up?
You called me, what do you mean?
Well, I don't know. I just wanted to talk to you.
Okay.
Have you slept?
When?
Since the last time we talked last night?
But it's fine. We're gonna do the tallest MLG water ever done. Let's go. Wait, let's drop the water bucket. And then go. Boom. Clean entry. First try! First try! How long was I even for?
George, what
And all
color
the
are these
signs.
colors?
Red.
Okay. Yeah.
Purple.
Blue, you know, no, this is blue.
Blue.
You should know
light
that.
blue.
Yeah. This one?
Green.
Yeah.
Red.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Green.
That's the same green. Oh, it's lime, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is this one lime? Or is this regular green?
No, this is dark green.
Ah, okay. Pink. Alright, okay.
What's your name again? I forgot. It starts with a D, doesn't it? Is it dumb stupid bitch? Petunia. What do you want, Bartholomew? Can we kiss? Oh, you want a kiss? You can kiss my ass. Petunia. Yes, Bartholomew? I want to break up. You break up with me, I break your foot. My guide. I am a star. Look at my car. I drive the car and run you over and kill you with it. I love you. Okay, and I love lasagna. You don't hear me talking about how much I love lasagna. Roses are black. Violets are black. Fuck you.
Only Tommy.
Hey, Corpse. How are you, bud?
Hey, Tommy.
How are you, bud? Okay.
Now that I know that you're not winning.
No, that way. Hey, Corpse, has anyone ever told you that you're a jerk? Yeah, didn't think so. Bitch.
What if I was... What if I told you I was paid to lower your morale?
What?
Oh, piss off.
Corpse, I'll pay you double what they paid you to boost my morale. How much did they pay you?
Okay. 100 grand.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Thank you. Nikki, it's raining, and also Dark Oak.
Oh my god. You scare me every time you join. Oh, I'm so glad I'm muted. Otherwise, you would just hear me scream.
I found
It is
Dark Oak,
raining.
and also
Nice.
it is raining. Can you walk around on land when it's raining?
Yeah, I'm walking around now.
Oh, go get the flowers.
Oh, never have I ever lied to the police. Wow. Wow.
Never talked to
Never have I ever stolen. Huh? You just put your finger down, Nikki. Okay, well, hopefully they do.
Coming right up.
Make it snappy. What?
It's on its way. You gotta supply your own bread. More, it's just a sausage. I'm literally just giving you a sausage. There you go.
Thank you.
Chat,
delicious.
it's a pig eating pig. Look at that.
Oh.
Because you're a police officer.
Oh.
Punch Nikki in the face? I won't. I won't even imagine that.
You would never. I'd be like, thank you, that was hot. Do it again. I don't know how to make a deep voice.
Don't you? Wait, what's the deepest voice you can do? Just speak normally.
This is my deepest voice. And yeah, it's
not very deep.
I can go really high. I can go really high, but I can't go deep.
That's you. Your range is like really high one direction.
Yeah.
Everyone's saying "aw." Meanwhile, I did a really scared face.
Well, you're my biggest competition here because you're like you're just a fucking crackhead, mate. Like, I don't know what's coming out of your mouth. 1 minute, like, I thought that was a gunshot too when you clapped your hands. I'm fucking terrified of you. So that's why I think she's the worst choice.
What do you mean it was a gunshot? What do you think I just got on the floor and fired a warning shot into the wall?
Rambo, okay, look away from me, look away. Okay, here we go,
Okay.
Rambo, look at me. Should I make a TikTok?
Yes, you should make a TikTok.
Awesome. That was my TikTok. Yeah.